Good morning, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm going to show you one of my clients account what we have done in last 5 to 6 days or 7 days. But before I start, please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. As you can see, this is the real money account and this is our monthly history of the account. Now we will see what happened to the account. This guy deposit about $1,022 on 10th of April 2020. As you can see guys, look at the lot size. This is 0.03. so we trade on this account for from 10 of April 2020 till 17 of April. So what happened to that account is, as you can see in the history, deposit about $1,022. We already withdraw $714 and our profit was 744. As you can see right now, our balance is 1052. So guys, if you want to be a professional trader like me, so please, there is a link in the descriptions of my Telegram channel. You can contact me over there. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So, and stay safe. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe.